Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to fully customize your Shopify store so you can be unique in a crowded market. So let us get into it. On the left-hand side, you can see your menu here, and there's a lot to actually customizing your store, right? So what we're going to focus on today is the actual storefront. So as you can see here, it says online store, and we're going to click on this. Now, when you open up a Shopify store, this is what the default looks like. Okay, it's pretty boring. It's kind of got like sort of placeholder images, and it just sort of has, just your standard, very boring. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is add products to your store. So on the left hand side, if you tap on products, you can go ahead and add products. Now if we've got a video on adding products in your Shopify store, so you can go ahead on our channel, you can search for it and go and check it out. So once we're in the online store here, at the bottom you can see that there is our theme. Over here it says Dawn, that is the type of theme. So what we can do here at the bottom is we've got a theme library, and here we can go ahead and add any one of these themes to our Shopify store. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stick with the one we've got now. And we're going to go over to the right hand side and we're going to tap on customize. Now, customizing the storefront is very easy. It is a website builder which basically uses a drag and drop feature. So on the left hand side, you have all of the elements or the sections of your page. Up at the top, you've got our home page over here, and you can go ahead and you can navigate to whichever page you would like to customize. So we're going to stick on this home page, and as you put your cursor over each one of the elements, it actually gives you some options. So once you click on it on the left, you can see, so this is an image, and what we're going to do is we can tap on select image, or we can explore royalty-free images. So let's just go into one of these, for example, and let's use this one here. Now you can see it's automatically jumped into our page. So we can now go ahead and jump back, and we can now customize some other areas of our page. So as you can see here, there is a text box. So we're going to click on this text box, and on the left hand side again, you've got some additional options. So you can have their AI jump in and create new text for you. So if you just tap on generate text, we can go ahead here and we can type in something like handbags, and we can just say generate, and now it's going to generate some heading text. All right, so we can see here, we can choose one of these, and here it is. Now let's say we would like to just change the sizing a little bit. We can just tap on that, we can make it medium, and now it's a bit smaller. So the next thing we can go ahead and do is customize the rest of our page. As you can see here, you can add sections in by using the add section button over here, and there are a multitude of options that you can choose from. So for example, if we want to add a video here, we can just tap on add video, and the difference between adding a video as a section versus adding a video as an element onto a section is this becomes an entire new section, as you can see here. So what we're going to do on the left hand side, it gives you your options again, and you can see that it has video as the heading. You can change that to whatever it is you want. You can also change the heading size, and then you have the option to play the video on loop, and over here you get to choose your video. Okay, so this is how you would add a video. So you can either select video and upload it, or you can go ahead and you can embed the video with a URL. So that just means you're going to have to have the unique link for that video, and you're going to enter it in right over here. Then once you're done, you will have a cover image that you can put onto here, so it will not adopt the thumbnail from that video. If it is coming from YouTube, you'll have to select an image here and use that as your cover image. You also have, of course, the option for the alt text, and then you can also make the section full width, and you have a color theme as well as the padding on the top as well as the bottom to customize this section. Now, if you're going out of this video section, you can see over here that there are a bunch of things that you can do, such as adding sections, as well as if you're going into perhaps the header, you can modify and customize that specific header. One of the other things you can do is, let's just go up to the top of this navigation panel over here and tap on products, and let's tap on default products. Now, as you can see, this is a product, and this is its title and all of its details. Now, on the left-hand side over here, it shows you all of those details. And what you can do is actually click down if you use the little icon on the left of any one of these, and you can click down and you can drag it to wherever you would like to drag it. Okay, so as you can see now, I've got the size above the title, and what you can do is then just move this up as well, and you can change this around accordingly. There are also tons of add-ons that you can add in here. So if you're going over to your app store, you can go ahead and download tons of apps. A lot of them are free. They come with free plans, so you can use them initially for free, so you can see if it's the app that you would like to use and if it works for you. We're going to jump back into this navigation bar at the top here, and we're going to tap on pages. And once you tap on pages here, you can create a new page template. So let's just call this new page template. And here we can base it on our default page or our contact page, which is pages that we have created thereafter all of the pages already in this theme. We can say create template. And we have now created this new page template. Now, of course, as you can see, all the elements here you can remove if you need to remove. You can also go ahead and add elements in over here. So if you're going on this page, you can see on the left-hand side, all of these sections you can add in over here. So you can completely make this your own. So adding pages is a nice way to fully customize your storefront. If you want to have a specific page dedicated to a specific area in your business, you can do so by creating this new page. One of the other nice features here is going up to the top right hand side, and you can actually see what your storefront looks like on desktop as well as mobile, and then also full screen it so that you can see what it looks like properly. Okay, and once you're done with all of your settings over here, you're going to go over and tap on save on the top right hand side. One of the other things that I always like to do is jump into settings on the bottom left hand side, and here you can change everything about your actual store, how it works in terms of what payment options your customers are getting, what the checkout options look like, and then also what shipping options your customers have. So this is all also part of creating a customized experience for your customer. So we also have gift cards that you can go ahead and create, and then as you go down here you can see that there are a few more options. If you're going out of here, the last thing that you need to do is jump back into that online store and into themes, and you can hit the three dots over here. Right at the bottom of this menu, you will see edit default theme content, and right from here you can edit a bunch of things that your storefront will have or not have. So we're going to go ahead and we're just going to type in here sold out, and what will happen is everything related to those words will come up, and over here you can see you can change things such as your sold out label. Okay, so we can say be back soon, and this is now customizing what your storefront looks like. So if you're out of stock, this is what it'll say on that label. You can also go ahead, there's a sold out button. You can also go ahead and search through this, and you can see what all you can customize in this area over here. Now, if you enjoyed this video, you can go ahead and explore our channel. We have tons of awesome Shopify tutorials. I guess we'll see you on the other side. Peace.